Okay, question 5. On what intervals is the displacement function, st, decreasing for 0 to t up to 8, given the velocity function, which is right here? So what it's really asking us to do is we are going to use this part here as our domain, and we are going to graph this function. Now, anything that is below this line is going to be a section where our original function is decreasing. Anything above the line is going to be where our original function is increasing. So that's what we're working with today. And anything here that's touching is a stationary point. So my first step is to graph this function. Now we do have a sine function there, so we need to make sure that this is in terms of radians. So I've got shift EX sine bracket X bracket, move it across, minus 2, execute. Now I'm going to go options, setup. Shift, setup, sorry. Then I'm going to go down to where it says angle, and I'm going to change my angle to radian. Now I'm going to execute that, and now that I've done that, I'm going to draw it. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my view window. You don't have to do this, but it definitely helps. So I'm going to go view window. I'm going to change this to what my domain is. So my x minimum is now going to be 0. Maximum is going to be 8. And I'm just going to leave these other ones at -10 and +10. That way I can get a good gist of what's happening. Okay, so now we can draw the function. So like I said before, anything below the line is where it's going to be negative. Anything above the line is where it's positive. So here, this section from 0 all the way up to that first root. So to find that, we're going to go G-solve. So here we've got 0, and we touch 0 up to 0.7, yeah, we'll round that to 77. That is all going to be a section where it is decreasing. Then the next one that we want is from 2.3, we'll round that up to 8, all the way up to 7.049. So that is going to be this one. So our answer is A.